Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and today I want to continue my experiments with toddy palm fruit because some preliminary poking showed me that one of them is maybe at the exact stage where you can extract the fresh young seeds, which are jelly-like and taste a bit of coconut. Well, let's see where I can put the camera. So I have here a couple ones. This one, despite small, already seems to be pretty old. The seeds are absolutely tough. However, it doesn't seem to be well developed. Fibers are too tough. This one is maybe a tiny bit better developed, but still not good. Guess they fell prematurely. It's already a bit sweeter and softer, but no. There are a lot of ripe ones around me which fell down and then rotted, but I couldn't find a single one which is not rotten and infested by insects. Here a very young one. Don't have too high hopes about this one, but I'll open it anyways because I think it's gonna go pretty fast. It's small, it's young. Small, it's young, it's tough. I can still kind of cut through it. Ow! Yeah, and through my hand. Well, that's really embarrassing. Not even being able to cut through a toddy palm fruit. And I haven't even come to the one where I really have some high hopes. All the other ones were just preliminary. Hanky panky. Well, I see some seed-like structures in there. Don't think they will be very exciting, but since I already started, let's open this one. Okay, nothing really spectacular in here. Now this is the one where I have high hopes because wait, maybe I just didn't hit the seeds properly because now I can feel them. I hope they would be soft, but now I think maybe they are hard. So let's remove the, I guess this is the calyx. Now how am I gonna open this fruit? The fibers go this way. Let's try and find a gap between the seeds. I might have succeeded with this. Yeah. Good. Cut straight from this side. From this side. Now I hope that I have isolated one seed inside this piece. Yes, there is a seed. Let's try the fibrous flesh first. Phew. Definitely not ripe enough. And this seed is small but hard. Very small actually. I wonder what's gonna be inside. Where is it now? Really small. Oh my. Look at that. This seed is tiny. I mean, look at that. Around me are the ripe seeds. If I find a rock, I'm gonna crack one of those a little bit later. But that's the size they are supposed to be. This is even a smallish one. And here inside they have a tiny structure, which is the seed. Yeah, I cut into the seed. This one is not good. Have two more inside this fruit. I think they're gonna be bigger. Ooh. thing. Parang cutting through it would go a lot faster, but getting arrested by the police would also not take too much time. So in here we have a considerably bigger seat. Oh, stop eating me, mosquitoes. I'm in the sun. Why are you eating me? Shouldn't you go into the shade? Cutting through tough fruits. I think I might be onto something if I manage to extract. Where do I find a rock here? There's an asphalt road on which I can smash stuff. Yeah, there are rocks here, but they weigh like a ton. I cannot lift one of those. It's a nice rock of a couple kilograms. Even a brick or half a brick would do. Come on, how can I do this a little bit faster? Why are the mosquitoes eating me out here in the sun? Yeah, will I be able to cut into the seat, or will I need a rock for it too? Let's see. Oh no, I will need a rock for this one too. Oh. Okay. I think I'll save you some cutting here. Cutting through the stuff is a lot of work. Also, I did not manage a rock I can lift, but I think maybe those seeds are heavy enough. If I smack them on top of a big rock, maybe they will break. Wait, this one which looks really good is already sprouted. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? This is also already sprouted. Okay. Let's try those three. I mean, I need seeds which are at least reasonably clean, some which are still inside the rotting fruits. Sure that the seed inside of this one will be quite good, but don't really want to go inside this one. Oh, look at that. This is a rock I can lift. Let's first try without. Ow. This is not good for my fingers. Okay. But for this rock I need both hands. So let's turn the video around again. Not sure how I can turn it so that you can see it. So I have to do it off screen. Sorry folks, I cannot find a smaller rock I can handle. Good news. Managed to crack all three seeds. Bad news, the ripest one looks a lot like a coconut, but it's rotten inside. The youngest one has nothing inside, and this one, shell is not only hard like a coconut shell, it's also very tough. It's squirted everywhere, especially all over my leg. Well, it's like coconut. I think I'm onto something here. Now look at that. Managed to crack open another one. It looks promising. I mean, it's also sprouted. There was a desiccated seedling coming out of here. And the inside looks like a sprouted coconut. You have the endosperm, but you also have this sponge-like thing growing here. Okay. I'm only chewing on the sponge now. It's good, about the same taste as a coconut sponge. The endosperm, however, is much harder than coconut endosperm. Well, so sponge it is. Not bad. So yeah, really old, sprouted toddy palm seeds. You can totally use them. However, I would recommend the parang, and then don't do it on the rock, do it on some wooden surface. I would totally recommend the parang if you know how to handle a parang. Otherwise, cutting into those things will be quite suicidal. Yeah, not only the was it endosperm in this case? Endocarp? Yeah, the endocarp is quite... Is it the endocarp? Yeah, probably. Exocarp, mesocarp, endocarp. The exocarp should be the fibrous stuff, the mesocarp should be the hard shell, and the endocarp should be this bluish stuff, which is also very hard in this case. Yeah, so the endocarp is too hard to eat it at this stage. You could probably make it into flour, but you would need some sort of machine for that, or a mill. But the sponge inside is kind of like a sprouted coconut. Not bad, not bad. I think this rock is maybe over 10 kilograms. If I had a rock of 2 to 5 kilograms, it would be much more convenient. Much under 2 kilograms, a rock without a handle and without a proper shape would be too light, I think. But yeah, definitely worth to forage for those things. I mean, they're lying around, those have been lying around probably for months under those toddy palms. There are hundreds of those. I didn't find a single fruit which is good enough to eat the sweet orange fibers, the exocarp. But you can eat hundreds of those little sponges, especially if you have a parang. So folks, tell me, what do you think about germinated toddy palm sponge? Have you tried it? Is it better or worse than germinated coconut sponge? Apart from it, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from crazy tropical palm fruits, and of course don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.